Hello there everyone from Southern Finland. Once again, I would like to call out that elite rat, the Nobel Prize winner Al Gore. I don't know, maybe we should have it stripped, that whole title, because this year in Southern Finland, this winter, started quite early in the middle of November. Around the 15th of November we had our first snow, and we've still got the snow, as you can see. And yes, I know it's Finland, but for Southern Finland, for someone that said snow should be a thing of the past, we're not doing too badly, are we? And once again, we're having one of our worst snowstorms of the winter at the end of March. So maybe Al Gore would like to visit Finland, because apparently by his predictions by now we should already have temperatures into the late teens and early 20s in March. But yeah, I guess that didn't really come to pass, did it? And how's America doing? Is that underwater already? I don't think so. So let's hold these lying rats to their word. Let's not forget the lies that they've told us, and let's have some pride. Anyway, have a nice evening. See ya.